Hey, quick question. Did you know that Google doesn't have to be your search engine in Chrome? Most people never change it, but Chrome actually lets you switch to Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and more in under 30 seconds. Let me show you exactly how. First, open Google Chrome. Up in the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. Click on it. From the drop-down, select Settings. This opens Chrome's settings page, where you can customize just about everything. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different categories. Go ahead and click on Search Engine. Right away, you can see which search engine is currently set as your default. Most likely it says Google. To switch it, click the Change button right next to it. A dialog box will pop up showing you all the available search engines. From here, just click on whichever one you want. Let's say you want to try Bing. Select it from the list, then hit Set as Default. You'll see a confirmation message right away telling you that Microsoft Bing is now your default. Done! Now, whenever you open a new tab or type in the address bar, your searches will go through Bing. Want Yahoo instead? Same exact process. Go back to the search engine settings, pick Yahoo, and set it as default. And if you ever miss Google, don't worry. Just come back to this same screen, select Google, click Set as Default, and you're right back to where you started. That's all there is to it. Changing your default search engine in Chrome takes less than a minute, and you can switch it back anytime. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips. See you in the next one.